Hi everyone, today we are looking at the issue behind the scene of the petrochemical industry, wastewater. Petrochemical plants produce essential products like plastic and fertilizer, but in the process, they generate toxic wastewater full of oil, heavy metals and harmful chemicals. If untreated, this wastewater can pollute rivers, harm aquatic life and even affect drinking water. That's why proper treatment is critical to protect our environment and meet regulations. In this report, we explore the plant layout, process flow, wastewater quality and how well the system complies with discharge standards.
Hi, I will briefly explain about how we clean dirty water from petrochemical plants. Don't worry, I keep it simple and easy to understand. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1. Pumping and screening. First, we pump the dirty water from where it's collected. Then it goes through a big screen like a strainer. This screen catches large trash like plastics and sticks, so they do not damage the machines later on. Step 2. Coagulation and sedimentations. Where the water goes through into tanks, then we add coagulants. So this makes small dirt and oil particles stick together and form a clumps. The heavy clumps sink to the bottom and we remove all of them. Step 3. Homogenizations, where water enters a big mixing tank and stir it to make sure everything is mixed evenly. So this step helps next steps works better. Steps 4. Filtrations. Now the water is pumped out again and goes through a filter made of layers like sand and gravel. This layer catch more small particles still in the water. Steps 5. Disfiltration. The water passes through this filter like a very fine sieve that catches the tiniest bits left. So this step makes the water as clean as possible before it continues to the next treatment.
Good day everyone. Today I want you to continues the 5 key steps in petrochemical wastewater treatment, turning contaminated water into a usable resource. So number C is a membrane filtration. First, we use membrane like UF, MF and MBR to filter out solids, bacteria and virus. This ensures a clean effluent for the next step. So number 7 is chemical using the backwash. We add chemical like coagulant and anti-scalant to prevent scaling and fouling. Regular backwashing keep the membranes and clean and efficient. So number 8 is a cartridge filtration. This cartridge filter remove any leftover fine particle and protect the RO system for clogging. So number 9 is river osmosis. RO use high pressure to remove dissolved heavy metals and organics. Production highly purified water. So lastly is RO storage and reuse. The clean water is stored and reused for industrial process, irrigation of safe discharge and supporting sustainability. So together these steps transform wastewater into a valuable resource, and thank you for the listening.
In conclusion, the petrochemical wastewater management market is evolving due to the increasing regulatory pressure for cleaner discharge. This creates growth opportunities for turnkey plant suppliers, equipment manufacturers, and service providers. Biological treatment is cost-effective but face challenges with high COD levels, aromatic compounds, VOCs, and oil grease, which can disrupt the process. Future strategies include using specialist bacteria like Pseudomonas putida to degrade stubborn compounds, integrating aerobic and anaerobic system, and modifying reactor to improve efficiency and reduce costs.